So to prove root 2 as irrational, the method which we are going to use is the method of contradiction. Contradiction means opposition, clash, disagreement. Means two statements are said to be contradictory if दोनों में से सिर्फ एक ही सही हो सकती है. Like snowy summer or an atheist going to the temple. So if a person is an atheist, how will he go to the temple? So two statements are said to be contradictory if either one of them can only be correct. So how to use this in maths? So we need to prove that root 2 is irrational. So what we'll do, we'll assume that in contradiction, we'll assume root 2 is rational. So what we'll do, let us assume root 2 is rational. So if root 2 is rational, I can write this in the form of P by Q. Now अगर P और Q में कुछ common factors है, like say 15 and 25. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 25 as 5 into 5, 5 cancel. So 15 and 25 can be written as 3 by 5 in simplest form, where you see 3 and 5 are both prime numbers. So in the same way, I can write root 2 equal to P by Q, and if they have something in common, cancelling out common things, I can write root 2 as A by B, where A and B are co-prime. So this is important. This is the most important thing. We have assumed root 2 as rational. So if root 2 is rational, I can write this in the form of A by B, where A and B are both prime numbers. Now let's find the value of A. So A, if I cross multiply, will be equal to root 2. B, let's remove this root. So I'll do squaring both sides. So A square will be root 2 square will be 2 B square. Now I am able to write A square as 2 into something. It means what? It simply means 2 divides A square. Like say, if I am able to write 36 as 6 into 6, means 6 divides 36. Or say if I am able to write 16 as 2 into 4, 2 into 8, it means 2 divides 16. Similarly, A square equal to B square means 2 divide A square. Now if 2 divides A square, 2 will divide A also. Like 2 into 8 16 होता है. So 2 divides 16. 16 means 4 square. So 2 divides 4 square means 2 will divide 4 also. So I can write 4 as 2 into something. Now what should be this something? If 2 divides 4, I can write 4 as 2 into something. I don't know what it is. So C will be what? It will be 2. 4 written as 2 into 2. Similarly, if 2 divides A, I can write A as 2 into something, say C. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे अगर 2 4 से को डिवाइड करता है तो 2 4 को डिवाइड करेगा. 2 अगर 4 को डिवाइड कर रहा है तो 4 I can write as 2 into something. This something is 2 here, but here I don't know what is this. So let A be equal to 2C. Now again we'll square it. Squaring both sides. What will I get? A square a square is equal to what? 2b square, and a square is also equal to 4c square. So 2b square equal to 4c square. So b square will be equal to 4. This 2 will come here, so it will be equal to 2c square. Now see the magic. 2 divides a, and here also b square equal to 2c square, means 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square, again by the same concept, 2 will divide b also. So 2 divides b square, 2 divides b, means a and b प्राइम कहाँ से हुआ? प्राइम मीन्स जो खुद के टेबल में आता है, उसको और कोई डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता. लाइक 3 को कोई डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता. सिमिलरली इफ a and b are prime, there should be no other number which can divide this to a and b. But you see, 2 divides a, 2 divides b, so this is contradicting the fact that a and b are prime. And this wrong contradiction took place because of a wrong assumption that root 2 is rational. So root 2 is not rational, it is irrational. Hence we can say root 2 is irrational because of this contradiction. So that's it. Thank you so much. See you next class. Goodbye.